All right, May 22nd update. You can see bringing that up to grade. These gentlemen are finishing up the columns. We had our re-inspection for bonding on yesterday, or Friday, I'm sorry, and it failed. So we have a couple other bonding issues. We had some fire foam that he wanted done that was kind of an addition. And what else did we have? Master electrician came by. We reviewed our underground, what we're going to need to do for underground. We've checked all of our runouts. They're all looking good. So all of our drainage all the way around the home is good. We're working to pick up stone this week. So we have our welder came in yesterday. Started working out our game plan for that. You can see all the cabs are built except for the wall cabinets. So everything's been built. These guys did a great site build. Custom cabs. Our bonding, we have about 3 additional bonding areas he wants us to take care of. And then what else? There's some more cabinets you can see. So all these cabinets built. It's about $70,000 in cabinets. Pedro's been working out on the stain on all of our doors. We should be done with that hopefully by next week with all the stain. Takes, even though it's one coat, it takes multiple coats. Then here, getting prepped for the driveway, everything's being compacted. Went through one wacky packer, otherwise known as a compactor or a jumping jack. Everything's laid out here. We had our drop ceiling. We had one little fixture missing, our circle, our ring to carry the dining room light. And back here, all lined out for our tile, our infinity drains, all in, prepping and getting that ready for its tile, prepping and getting the exterior patios prepped and ready with the mesh so we can pour that slab on grade, or slab on deck. Then these guys are building out the columns so that we can do our stonework. This all being prepped today, getting our drainage out here. You can see our front yard coming into play, pulling some iron down there. There's our fill that'll roll off the side of the hill as well as onto grade here. And then of course we rounded this upper tier at a 3, maybe even 2 to 3 to 1 all the way through there. So it'll make for a nice front yard and landscape. And then prepping down there for our drainage going down the wing. And then our bonding, this will extend to the fireplace and we'll also be extending it to the furnace. That's it. We'll see you on the next one. But it's a full spring, beautiful day, May 22nd, 2018.